Hello, welcome to your national weather update. A hot start to the week and it could end even hotter, but more on that in just a moment. First of all, let's take a look at the big picture. High pressure is in control for the time being. We're going to get a change as this weather front moves in, introducing cloud and some rain across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland overnight. High pressure still controlling things for England and Wales. A balmy summer's evening here leading into a dry night, but here's that weather front turning things a little damp across Scotland and Northern Ireland. It will eventually introduce cooler air to the far northwest, but for most it's a pretty difficult night for sleeping. Temperatures staying in the mid to high teens. Parts of eastern England may stay over 20 Celsius. The details for Tuesday then, and a very different day for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Certainly a lot of cloud here early on with some outbreaks of rain drifting through the central belt and spreading across Northern Ireland. Nothing too heavy, but certainly, I say, a change compared to Monday. Brighter skies will follow to the northwest. For England and Wales, well, the cloud may be a little thicker in places, perhaps even one or two light showers. But for most, it's another day of hot, hazy sunshine here, and temperatures responding ahead of that cold front into the mid to high 20s once more. Perhaps not quite as high as Monday, but still up to 31, 32 across the southeast. Behind that cold front, temperatures much closer to average, but still into 22, 23 on the east coast of Scotland with some afternoon sunshine. That weather front will continue to drift south during Tuesday evening. Again, the rain, though, continuing to fizzle out, so no more than a spot or two here or there. There will be some showers coming into the highlands of Scotland and the Western Isles, and for many, temperatures will drop a little further as we head into Wednesday morning, so not quite as difficult for sleeping, but still in the south on Wednesday morning, temperatures likely to be in the high teens, so it'll be another difficult night for sleeping here. We could start with quite a bit of cloud, though, on the south coast on Wednesday. That should move away, the odd spot of rain, but not really anything useful for gardeners. There will be more showers coming in across northern Scotland with a fairly brisk wind, but for most, Wednesday is a dry day with plenty of sunshine once more, but that cold front will have moved through, and so temperatures won't be as high. Still into the low to mid 20s for many, and maybe up to 27 or 28 across the southeast, but generally a slightly cooler day all in all. Temperatures again across northern Scotland only in the mid-teens, where there will be a fairly stiff breeze blowing throughout. That'll continue through Wednesday evening as well. The outlook is for high pressure to move back in as we go through Thursday and into Friday, but there are these weather fronts toppling around the top of it, which will bring some showers, but then the high set to control the weather right across the land by the time we get to the weekend. That will have an impact on the temperatures. So initially, we've got the heat, obviously. This cold front, though, will oust that heat, pushing it away. So temperatures through the middle of the week won't be quite as high. But then as the high pressure starts to build back in, what we could see this time is the potential for us to tap into some of the heat further south across Europe, and that may well push northwards by the time we get to Sunday. Details of the exact extent of the heat and the numbers we'll be talking about, well, it's too far off to say, but we are concerned that the temperatures could get into the mid or even high 30s, and so on Monday, we issued an amber extreme heat warning across much of England and parts of Wales. We're concerned that if those temperatures do get up into the mid to high 30s, that could cause adverse health issues, and not just for the elderly and for the vulnerable, but quite widely across the public. Transport disruption is also likely with those temperatures affecting road surfaces, but also the rail network as well. So this is something we're concerned about. It's a few days off. We will firm up on the details over the next few days. If you want more information about that weather warning, download our app or visit our website, and make sure you stay up to date with the progress of things throughout this week. And the best way to do that, follow us on social media.